your girl Uyimart. Okay, today I have a lovely topic to share with you, and it's a topic that a lot of people have been expecting to hear. So I sat while I was just on my own, having my own time. I thought of increasing my bust line someday. So I had to go make a research, and guess what? The research worked overnight. So I can't just keep it by myself. I have to share it. That's why I'm here to share with my lovely ladies. You know, most ladies desire to have this great bust line. Okay, because as this helps to raise their self-esteem and confidence. But a lot of people, while plastic surgery is an option, is because most of them are scared. It's an option anyway, but a lot of ladies are scared of the risks in it, the risks involved in it, the complications, and as well the cost. But today I have just a simple home remedies. But before going into this home remedies, please, if today is the first time of coming by, please consider subscribing to my channel, and as well turn on your post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. So today, while I'm gonna take you into this video, please just grab a cup of coffee while I take you down to show you how to increase your bust line overnight. Join me. So guys, what we'll be needing today is just my onion and turmeric. Okay, so this onion, I'm gonna extract it, the juice from this onion, and add this. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do this now. So all I need now is my onion is washed, okay, already washed, and I have my grater here with me. So it's time for me to grate this onion, okay, and take off the juice in it. Okay, so I'm just trying to grate everything now. Okay, I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing currently now. So now that I'm done grating, it's just the small parts that I need. Okay, and here is the juice, is out already. So it's time for me to add my turmeric inside this onion. Okay, then if you have your honey, you can add it to it, but tonight today I'm gonna be using my coconut oil to add and stir the three things together. Okay, so this is it: onion, turmeric, and coconut oil stirred together thoroughly well. Once I'm done stirring these three things together, I'm gonna be using this to massage my bust line, as this is gonna help to increase the bust line overnight. If it's possible for you to sleep as a max, you can equally do that while your AC is on or your fan is on. You just place it on that your bust line area. Okay, you can leave it on your bust line for the next 5 minutes, then you wash it out with lukewarm water. Then the following day you can use it, just take it as a normal cream and massage it around your bust line. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you use this now. Okay, so let's go. While I'm gonna show you how to use this, I'm gonna show you how to apply this three mixture. That is my onion juice, okay, the grated onion itself, my turmeric, and my coconut oil mixed together. Okay, so this is how to apply it on your butt, around your butt area. Okay, so you get to see how to increase your bust line overnight. Okay, so just stick while I take you around on how to apply this. So what you need now is just to get it. Look at it here, I'm just grabbing it now. Okay, so what I need now is just to apply it as a normal cream, okay, around the bust line this way. Can you see what I'm doing? Then I'll keep applying it around the bust line, okay, just to increase the bust, okay. Then I'll go ahead and apply it around the bust line, okay. I'll just go ahead and apply it around the bust line, then massage it, keep massaging it, okay. If you can massage it the next 10 to 20 minutes, then keep massaging it, massage it thoroughly well, okay. Look at it, look at how this part of my body is coming up, it's enlarging. What is enlarging? Wow, the result is super effective. When I say it's super effective, it's super effective, okay. This is all you need to do to increase your boost, to increase your bust line, that is your breast, okay, being precise. So if you can do this and stick to this the next 1 week, girl, when I say you're gonna see results, the result you'll be seeing will be what? Woo! Will be a result that will be mind-blowing. You'll see like this and say, is this my bust line? This is the desired bust line I needed. And here you have it, girl. Here with my home remedies, I promise you, you're not gonna regret this. This is gonna help to increase your bust line. This is gonna help to raise your self-esteem and your confidence too. While talking to anybody, you're gonna have this confidence as a woman, you know. You're gonna have this confidence as a lady. You're gonna have this self-esteem within you, okay. So I'm gonna be stopping here, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and your ladies, those other friends, your female friends that have actually been complaining on how to increase their bust line, how to increase their breasts. Let me be precise now, I'm referring to their breast, how to increase it, okay. Just show them how to increase this, tell them how to increase this with this natural remedies that I just shared with you. And please don't forget to drop your comment on what you feel about this video. Don't forget to like this video, that is, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel while I'll take you around on how to other home remedies. Thanks so much for coming by to watch my video. Love you guys all. Bye.